Today I show you how to make perfect iced latte. So now I take coffee. You can see this is my. I use a 18-gram coffee bean first. Now I make for latte espresso.
Okay. Can you see this face also? His assistant barista, Mr. Lian. See, handsome boy. Okay.
So
Here you go.
I take 17-gram ice for ice latte. Then you can use fresh milk, almond milk, low-fat milk, skim milk, and you use everything you can use. Now I use fresh milk. Then I use a double espresso.
Wow, this look nice.
This is a
Yeah,
ice
you can
latte, so you can see.
Wow.
Should be good taste. So first thing first, everybody please subscribe my channel and share my
Okay,
video.
please,
Thank you,
please
guys.
do subscribe, share, and like, please. Thank you.